Hey! In front of me is Motorola Defy, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. Start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now you need to type in DevCheck and install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When it's ready, click on Open. After that, thanks to this free app, you can find out all the information about your Motorola's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!